Guys, let's solve the problem. So we will read our number, then using exactly the same digit, we must print the possible biggest number. So if you rearrange the digits, the possible biggest number will be 93,200. So you see that you put the largest digit to the left and you put the smallest digits to the right. So the logic is pretty straightforward and simple, but in order to keep the time for this video short, I didn't write all the code in the video, I just prepared it for you. So what we have to do is we have to have the variable for our number n, and then I will create these variables. They will count how many digits I have. For example, the C1 will count will keep how many zeros I have. For example, C4 will keep how many digit fours I have. And at the beginning, I set all of them to 0, which means I don't have any digit at all. So you read your number, then you create a loop where you continue while n is bigger than 0, and eventually at the end of the loop, you eliminate the last digit of the number. But before it, you want to check if the last digit is equal to 0. If it is, you increase the counter for 0 by 1, and so on for all of them. For example, if the last digit is 9, you increase the counter for digit 9 by 1. And when you are done with your while loop, you want to create these loops. So this loop will start from 1 and it will continue until C1. So if if C9 is 3, which means you have 3 9s, this loop will work 3 times, and that many times it will print 9. And I don't put space, I don't put end line after this, which means this will continue printing immediately after that one, like here. So, and you do it for all of your counters, and that's it. And when you run the program, you input your number, you have your possible biggest number. So let's save it and let's test it. And when we test it, we see that we passed all the tests, and don't forget to submit the code. That's it, guys. Have a nice day.